So this is the day that I almost lost my drone. So I actually lost connectivity here, and my battery was low. Now what happens is the drone would hopefully come back to where I am, and then what happens is it can see something on the camera, but I don't really have any control of the drone here. It takes itself into Portaferry Harbour, and you know I can see it on the screen, but I can't really control anything here. I mean, you got the wind and everything, so here it is. It's taking itself in, which is it's nice that it does that, but then I don't know, where is it going to land? I have no idea. So I'm running here, and the drone decides to land. Is it going to land in the street? No, not in the drink. And then there was a bird. Oh, and thankfully it lands here. So there is a hope, and I'm looking for the drone here. I don't know where it is. I mean, I managed to see it, and I managed to see that I'm seeing myself. And then I've seen the drone, and I'm running towards it here. So good to have this back. It's never a good thing whenever your drone loses connectivity. And it's never a good thing whenever your battery runs out. Especially whenever you're in the air with your drone. There's nothing like making videos with the drone. It's so good to be able to see the world from a different perspective. So whenever I got home, I looked at the files that were being recorded whenever I was at Portaferry. And the file didn't play. I mean, I've seen that there was, the file size was 3.38 gigabytes, but it wouldn't play. And it wasn't like the rest of the files on my system. So I was hoping that there was going to be a way to see if I can retrieve what I got. So I did a wee bit of digging, and then I've found that there is a way to see and fix the file. I was really concerned about that. Yes, I was concerned about the drone, but you know, I would like to have seen exactly what actually happened, and see if I can actually see where the drone went. So the way you do it is, you put the SD card into the drone, and then I charged my drone because I had a low battery. And then what you do is you press the on button. Now the drone will flash different colors, and what happens is the drone fixes itself. I mean, how good is that? Because hey, I've got my drone footage from Portaferry, and it is stunning. I'm really happy that I got my drone. I'm really happy I got my footage, and I'm able to share this story with you. Anyways, hope you have a good day. Take it easy.